Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Orbits. In this video, let's learn about many-to-many relationship. Let's see what is meant by it. A many-to-many relationship connects multiple records of one object to multiple records of another object using a junction object. Let's understand this by taking a case study. In an institute, many students join different courses, right? One student can join in many courses. In the same way, one course can have many students. In order to track exactly which student has joined in which course, we use junction object, that is enrollment object. Let's understand this in a detailed way by moving into the developer org. So log in into our developer org and then move to the standard app which we have created. Now here we need to know which student has joined in which course, right? So first we need to create the two objects, that is students as well as course, right? We have already created these two objects. We need to create one more object, that is enrollment. So in order to create it, just click on this gear icon and click on setup. Select object manager, click on new object. We need to label it as enrollment. You can give the name whatever you want, and I want this to be shown in the home screen, that's why I'm checking this checkbox over here. Click on save and then select the tab style. Click on next. You know this whole process, right? We have done this same process while we are creating the objects, right? Yes. Now the enrollment object has been created. Now next thing what we need to do is we need to create the fields, that is master detail relationship field. Why we are using only master detail relationship? Because we all know lookup relationship is a loosely packed relationship. That is, if you delete the parent object, the child object still exists, right? But in this case, we need that child object should be depend upon the parent objects. That's why we are choosing the master data relationship. So we all know where to create the master detail, that should be in the child object, right? So here the child object is enrollment. So move on to fields and relationships. Click on new. So select master detail relationship and click on next. Here we need to select the student object as the parent. Why we are selecting the student object? Because we need to connect both the uh, enrollment as well as the student object. That is why we are selecting the student object as parent object. And these are all the same process. Click on next. Click on next and save it. Yes, now we have connected enrollment as well as student object by master detail relationship. What we need to do next, we need to connect enrollment with the course object. So I'm clicking on new. I'm following the same process again. Here we need to select course as the parent object. Check where is the course object. Here I'm not enabling this checkbox. See it carefully. I'm clicking on next. I will show what happens if we don't enable the checkbox. Okay. Now we have created both the fields. Now let us check whether these are existing in the home screen or not. So in order to check it, let's move on to the app. So here it is showing all the tabs which we created. Yes. Now already we have created the records in the students object. Let's create the records in the courses as well as the enrollment object. So click on course, click on new and give the course name. This is the way to create the records. You can give the course's name whatever uh, you require. Yes, now you can see all the 3 records has been created. Now let's create for enrollments as well. Okay, give the name as the enrollment 1. See, before we have created the relationship of enrollment object with student as well as the course, right? That's why it is showing in the enrollment record also the student as well as the course fields. Okay, select any one of the student. Here I will be created for 4 enrollments. In the meanwhile you can create with me as well. Please do practice this and all, otherwise you will be forgetting the things. If you don't find the student records, then please just type the student name over there, then definitely you can find the records there. Yes, now we have created 4 enrollments, right? Now we can see all of them are listed here, but we have created 4 fields, right? But it is showing up only one field. So in order to show them all, just click on this drop down and select this one, and we need to select the fields here. I'm selecting student, click on save. Yes, now you can see. Yes, here you can see clearly Rahul has enrolled in two courses, that is mathematics and science. And the same course, that is mathematics, has taken by the students Priya and Rahul. So this clearly shows a many-to-many relationship exists here. In this way, we can create this relationship. And one more thing, I have not enabled the checkbox in the before page, right? Why? Because here we cannot edit this course. If you don't enable that checkbox, we cannot edit the particular course. Okay? If you want to edit it, you need to go back to that specific thing. In order to edit it, you need to enable this checkbox. Then you can see the option to edit it. So just click on save. So go back here, reload the page. Yes, now you can see the edit icon over here, which is not available before. That's why I did not enable the checkbox before to show you this option. Okay. Yeah, this is all for this video. If you have any doubts, please do comment me in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.